Hello everyone. If your funded next payout is on hold, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to fix it in just a few steps. So first, we will need to log in to our FundedNext account and check if there are any notifications regarding our payout. So this could be due to a verification issue or unmet requirements for payout. Here, make sure all your personal and financial information is updated. If your documents are not verified, you will need to upload a valid ID and proof of address to release the hold. Now, if everything looks correct but the payout is still on hold, contact FundedNext support team through their chat or email to investigate the issue further. And that's it. Once you have addressed any verification issues, your payout should go through. And that is how to fix FundedNext Payout on hold error. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.